Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I know you like what you see. If you see me for the first time, girl, where have you been? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this cute yet simple bantu that you can rock for this summer. Trust me, this is the perfect summer hairstyle. Hair is up the shoulder, you can move and have fun. You don't have to retouch it every time, just have to lay your edges. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. My hair is already blow dried and ready for styling. As you can see, it's not bone straight, and this is just enough to get my hair easily parted. To part the back, I usually use my 360 mirror, but my video editor was around today, so she's helping me do that to save time. We made 5 big sections from ear to ear all the way to the front and twisted each section down. Then we made smaller break parts in between. I'm done with the back section. I had help. Now I'm going to part the front section. Everyone that I'm done parting, I'll just twist it down. I'm not applying the edge gel because I'm using edge wax. I'm using shine and jam. It's going to melt before I'm done parting on my hair, and I don't want to put too much, and I don't want to have to reapply, so I'm just twisting down. Yeah, so to part this side, we're following the parting here. Now that I have all my parts down, not will be so much easier, so I recommend this pre-parting method because it saves so much time. I like to use wax to clean up my parts as much as possible, and today I'm using my favorite, which is COILY Naturals. I apply it on all the 4 perimeters of the section and brush it up to get all the shrinkage slicked up, then I secure with a rubber band. Listen, the reason why your bantu knots are so tight that you get a headache or you can't sleep well at night is because you are not banding it first. Yes girl, you heard me. So now you have to knot it so tight that it hurts. If you really want to enjoy bantu knots pain free, then you must try out this banding method and thank me later. I'm adding some kinky extensions to this one because it's smaller than the rest. It's actually my first time doing crochet. I hate it so much. Like, to make my knots, I just hold down a little bit of the hair at the root and then kind of knot the rest around it with a gentle hand. But towards the end, I wrap it tightly to avoid loosening up. This is how the first one is looking, nice and the perfect size I was going for. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing all over the other sections. You might be wondering why I twist my hair before using the rubber band. It's because it helps to prevent breakage. If I were to leave my hair out and untwisted, the process of banding will have my hair tangled with the rubber band, so yeah, long hair problems. Also, I prefer to do my bantu knots on fluffy, loose, twisted hair because now all I have to do is to wrap it around itself without having to do the finger curls, which is such a tedious arm workout that I do not want to sign up for just because I want to get bantu knots to look big. I'm gonna be using this human hair that I cut off from my old ponytail to, I'm gonna be putting it here. It's actually a lot, so probably like this much. I just want it to be short and cute like this. So I'm gonna put one here, put the other here. I know most of you can't braid like me, so here is a cheat code to attach curls to your Bantu knots without crocheting or braiding it in. Just tie it. I know, right? I mean, why haven't I thought of this before? It is so easy. All I have to do is to twist in the dangling piece of coily hair with my natural hair, and that's all. You can watch me do it again in the second knot to understand more. This is looking so good. I don't know if I should make it longer. I don't know. Should I make this longer? Like, what's the difference? I don't know. To define the curls, I'm using just water and this super mousse. I call it super mousse because this literally defines everything without much stress. Texture is looser than my natural hair, so it's way too easy to define anyways. After defining the curls, it was looking so juicy. Then I went ahead to lay my edges with the same Kalida Naturals edge wax, and the style is set, y'all. This is just so damn beautiful. If I say I'm not obsessed with this hairstyle, just know I'm lying, because look at this. It's so cute. Like, I did all of this with my hair. Like, okay, I added kinky to this one, which I don't think was even necessary, but this is so pretty, to be honest. I'm just slaying my natural hair. So I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I'll be back, okay?
Say
This is how this Bantu knot turned out. It is super pretty. Like, look at the side view. This is the other side view. The curl is looking perfect. I love the length. I love everything about this style. Okay, this is definitely giving summer vibes. Hair is off shoulder, ready to mingle and dance, you know, have fun without your hair disturbing you. All you just have to do is to, you know, lay your edges, yeah, and use Calida Natural because it lasts all day. You don't want to be rushing to the bathroom to fix your edges every 1 hour, you know. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this hairstyle, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, try it out, subscribe to my channel for more because your girl is back. Okay, hair tutorial vlogs, self-development. I'm really trying to, you know, get back on YouTube and post more consistently. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss my next post. Share this video to your girlies that are looking for style, for summer to try, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.